Welcome to today's video. If you're here, chances are you're feeling overwhelmed by your closet and looking for ways to simplify your wardrobe. The good news? Decluttering and organizing like a minimalist is totally doable, and I'll walk you through effective strategies to get rid of the overwhelm, save space, and bring more clarity to your clothing choices. This isn't just about cleaning up your wardrobe. It's about creating a system that allows you to live with intention and joy. So let's dive straight in. But before, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel as we want to help you and others on their minimalist journey. Let's talk about mindset. A minimalist wardrobe is not about owning as few clothes as possible. It's about owning the right clothes for your lifestyle. It's quality over quantity, functionality over overwhelm, and joy over obligation. The key is to let go of emotional attachments, or the fear of what if I need this later. Instead, focus on items that serve your current lifestyle and make you feel good. Remember, decluttering isn't about creating emptiness. It's about creating space for things that truly matter. Let's now tackle the actual process of decluttering. These strategies will help you cut through the clutter and focus only on what's worth keeping. Start by taking everything out of your wardrobe. When you see the sheer volume of things you own, it becomes easier to identify what you no longer need. Sort every item into 3 categories: keep, donate, or discard. Be honest about each decision. If you love it and wear it often, keep it. If it's in good condition but hasn't been worn recently, donate it. And if it's damaged beyond repair, it's time to say goodbye. For each item, ask yourself, does this fit me now? Do I genuinely feel good when I wear this? Have I worn this in the past 6 months? Would I buy this again if I were shopping today? These questions will help you keep only the items that truly serve a purpose. If you haven't worn something in the last 6 months, and it's not a seasonal item, it's worth considering why it's still in your wardrobe. Chances are you can let it go. Sentimental items can be tricky. Instead of holding on to a pile of old t-shirts for nostalgia, keep just 1 or 2 that truly mean something. You could even turn them into a keepsake like a memory quilt. How many things are you holding on to just in case? Ask yourself, if I really needed this, could I replace it easily? Most of the time, the answer is yes. Trust yourself to let go. Review items like basic t-shirts, jeans, or black shoes. If you notice duplicates, keep only the ones you love and wear the most. Having multiples of the same type of item just adds unnecessary clutter. Decluttering isn't a one-time act. You also need habits that prevent the clutter from creeping back in. Here's how. Commit to this golden rule of minimalism. For every new item you bring in, 1 old item must go out. This keeps your wardrobe from growing unnecessarily. Pick 10 items you never wear, 10 items you like but don't need, and 10 that you're unsure about. Once you've identified these, decide which can be donated or discarded. This is a quick and impactful way to declutter. Instead of constantly shopping for trendy or cheap clothes, invest in fewer, high-quality pieces that last longer and align with your personal style. This reduces waste and decision fatigue. Decluttering is only half the battle. Next comes organizing your wardrobe to maximize space and functionality. Organize your wardrobe by clothing type. Keep shirts in one section, pants in another, and so on. This makes it easier to find what you're looking for quickly. Adopt folding methods like Marie Kondo's vertical folding. This not only saves space but also keeps your clothes neat and accessible. Drawer dividers make a huge difference in maintaining order. Use them for smaller items like socks, underwear, or accessories to prevent everything from getting jumbled. Bulky, mismatched hangers take up extra space and make your closet look disorganized. Switch to slim, matching hangers to create a clean, minimalist vibe. If you live in a place with distinct seasons, rotate your wardrobe as the seasons change. For example, store bulky winter sweaters out of sight during summer to keep your closet feeling light and organized all year round. Beyond decluttering and organizing, let's explore ways to simplify how you manage your minimalist wardrobe daily. A capsule wardrobe is a collection of versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create many outfits. This saves time, reduces decision fatigue, and keeps your wardrobe intentional. Pre-plan outfits with your smaller wardrobe. For instance, you could create a weekly rotation or stick to a specific color palette to make getting dressed stress-free. If you have items that need repairs or adjustments, designate a specific spot for them in your wardrobe. Commit to fixing or donating these items within a set time frame to prevent them from piling up. When parting with clothes, keep sustainability in mind. Treat decluttering as an opportunity to pass on items responsibly instead of sending them to waste. Items in good condition can be donated to local organizations or thrift stores. It's a great way to give your clothes a second life while benefiting others. If something is too worn or damaged to donate, look for textile recycling programs to avoid contributing to landfill waste. Decluttering and organizing your wardrobe like a minimalist isn't just about getting rid of stuff, it's about creating clarity, saving time, and living with intention. By following these strategies, you'll transform your closet into a space that reflects who you are and supports your lifestyle. As you tackle your wardrobe today, remember, small steps lead to big changes. Start by applying just 1 or 2 strategies, then build from there. Soon, you'll enjoy a wardrobe that's clear, functional, and perfectly aligned with your minimalist goals. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your favorite strategy in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to live a simpler, more intentional life. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.